Mosha coming to you from the new location in Sosoa, Pedro Clisante and Esquina Dr. Rosen. It's a block or two down from the tienda or from the metro. I have an African brother from Nigeria. He loves it.
Southern Cameroon.
Cameroon. Sorry,
Southern.
I'm sorry. He's gonna tell you. But I did him some fried plantain. This is my new presentation on the natural wood. Everything is natural. Tell me your name, my brother, from Cameroon.
Yeah, not Cameroon, Southern Cameroon.
Okay, he's gonna tell you.
Different, yeah.
All right.
I'm from Southern Cameroon.
What's your name, brother?
Not Cameroon.
What?
Tum.
So,
Yeah, from Southern Cameroon.
so this is one of the intelligent leaders of our people in Cameroon. He didn't tell me that, but I know. Because all of our African people have the spirit of leadership from the foundation of the earth. We was created for that.
Yep.
So I have one of them sitting in my restaurant, and I want to thank him for coming and supporting my business. He ordered some jerk chicken.
Anytime.
So tell me something about Jamaican food, man. You love jerk chicken,
very
right?
good. I love jerk chicken. Oh my God. I can eat jerk chicken every day.
All right.
In the US, I mean, I just love jerk chicken. When I go to parties, I'm looking for jerk chicken first.
Yeah.
You know, there's a friend, I'm gonna miss it. There's a friend that has usually celebrates Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
And in his house, he will order lots of jerk chicken. When I go there, the first thing I go for the jerk chicken.
So what I'm gonna do after when the jerk chicken is finished and he come back,
Yeah.
I'm gonna take him on camera trying the jerk. So you hear his enthusiasm for jerk. I'm not gonna wait till he try it. I'm gonna put him on the video while he's tasting it, so you see his reaction to see if we're dealing with the real deal.
Yeah.
My brother, respect, one love, enjoy your plantain.
brother.
I just made him some plantain.
Beautiful.
Look at my presentation.
Brother.
That's the new presentation. Blessed love, my brother.
Beautiful.
Mosha Reggae Lounge. Peace out.